Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Neha Hamilton, and today we are covering this subject called social media marketing. And in social media marketing, we have covered a lot of topic till date. Today, we are going to understand a very basic topic. We are going to understand what are the different types of social media, or we are going to cover this topic called classification of social media as per your syllabus. So, today's lecture agenda is to make you understand the classification of social media, the different types of social medias which are available, and the social media platforms are divided into various parts on the basis of their applications and usability. So, that's what we are going to understand in today's class. So, first of all, let us start with social media. What is social media? What do you think social media is? Can anybody define social media? Can anybody define what is social media?
And social media is a platform where users can gather to chat, to post about their stories, their messages, or a business representative who can post about their company's profile, their product, and promote themselves.
Okay, very good, Nupur. So basically, he has explained it all. He has covered all the aspects. So social media platform is actually an online platform where two people can interact with each other, whether the context of communication is personal, or it is social, or it is professional, right? People nowadays are using social media for sending their marriage cards. Do you remember the times when Corona was not there? Giving and sending marriage cards was an issue of prestige, was an issue of social status. So people used to go with their family to other families to invite people for a wedding with a mithai ka dabba and a wedding card and Ganesha Murti and all those things people used to do before. But nowadays, people are sending their wedding cards on Facebook. So that's a big change that we have seen. And by giving you this example, I can assure you that social media is taking place of everything physical that we are doing. People are getting married on social media through Facebook Live. Panditji is sitting somewhere in India and Mathura, and two couples who are sitting in America, they are getting married through this Facebook platform. And marriage in India is something which is very big, which is very huge, that carries a lot of importance in the social life as well as in the personal life, right? It's a big change. So that's how social media is nowadays becoming so much important in our lives that we are taking very huge decisions on social media. If you have heard of bharatmoni.com matrimony kind of services, people are searching their life partners on these online platforms. So you can understand the kind of trust people are having on these social media platforms, that they're searching their life partner. You are not actually seeing that person, and it is again a very huge process in India when a boy meets a girl, and it's a family thing, it's a big gala thing. Lots of happenings goes around, and all the families are invited, and it's a big process. So that's again is happening on social media. Now let's talk about some business context. People are meeting on Facebook, people are doing Zoom meetings. I am taking lecture on Zoom. That was initially so difficult for the teachers and students to teach. But now I feel that teaching you search engine optimization and teaching you social media is much easier for me as a teacher to teach you on Google Meet, because in class, using the projector and using it becomes sometimes very difficult. But when I talk about Google Meet, or when I talk about Zoom, it is very easy for me to show you a search engine result page, to navigate you to anywhere I want you to go. So, in business context, in educational context, everything has changed. You know, Earlier nobody was talking about Olympics. Nobody was talking about cricket matches. Yes, some news used to come, but nowadays this becomes a big news that somebody's Instagram followers have been increased. This becomes a very big news on social media because it becomes viral. People were firing crackers yesterday night because India got a gold medal. So how do we get to know that? We cannot watch the news channel 24/7. So how do we get the news? We are getting the news through social media websites. Either you get a Facebook update or you get a WhatsApp message which is forwarded that we got a gold medal and things like that. So that's how I wanted to explain you that the purview of social media has increased tremendously. People are giving interviews on Zoom and Google Meet. Earlier it was impossible to take any candidate unless and until that candidate is sitting overseas, or he's in some outside country. But nowadays each and every interview, even for the interview for the job of a CEO, is happening online, right? Online through what? Online through these platforms that we are studying. So understanding the classification of social media will not only help you in your personal lives, but if you have good understanding of social media and good understanding of how to strategize marketing on social media, I'm sure that you can become a successful digital marketing manager, because a digital marketing manager or social media manager is not for only sharing the post or sending personal messages or DM on Insta. It is a lot more than that. As a social media manager, you have to make a strategy for your company. You have to make a time frame chart for your company. You have to uh, you know uh, you have to balance the goal of the organization and your marketing goals together. You have to portray the right kind of image to your company. So these all things are happening so fast. On Facebook only I got an information that Star, this coffee shop. What is the name? Starbucks. Yes. So I got a Facebook update that Starbucks is going to open in Jaipur in two locations. One is in Malviya Nagar and one is in CC. So I'm so excited about that. I'm talking to my friends about Starbucks, and somewhere in my mind I know that I'm promoting that brand. But what can I do? Because whenever we go to Delhi, or we go to some other city, then only we used to have a Starbucks coffee. But now it is here in Jaipur, and that too 10 to 15 steps away from my home. So through social media only I get to know that these kind of outlets are opening in Jaipur. Uh, Same example I want to give you for IDFC Bank. I have liked the Facebook page of IDFC Bank, and they always try to chat with me because they want to sell their credit card to me. But once they caught me, because they give me offers that I cannot say no. Everything is free for me, plus 500 rupees extra on my wallet. How can I say no? These all offers they sent me in my personal Facebook message, right? Because I have liked the Facebook page of IDFC and I am an engaging customer. I keep on asking about their policies, their SIP plans, whatever new schemes they are coming up with. They got me that I am a good loyal customer of IDFC Bank, and they sent me this message of credit card. I was actually a lead for them, and they were trying from the past 2 3 months to convert me into a customer for their credit card, and they successfully did yesterday when they sent me an offer on Facebook. So they are doing sales on Facebook. They are actually selling on Facebook. I said yes finally. And that salesperson, I remember his name also, that many times he has called me. He said, "Ma'am, finally you have said yes. We have to change some things for you, and now you are finally happy and you are taking it. I'm so happy that I converted you." Right? So through Facebook, through Instagram, you're getting leads for selling your products, right? So the purview of social media is unlimited. You know what Virat Kohli is doing today. You know what Anushka Sharma is wearing today. You know what Kareena Kapoor is doing today, on whether she is on an ad shoot or whether she is doing her film shoot, and all because of social media. Because you see their Instagram face, those attractive faces, they always grab the attention. And we wait for the time when will we get free and when will we check the Instagram. I want to check Arjun Kapoor's Insta page. I want to check Kareena's Insta page. What are they doing now? All these things. And through these celebrities are not only earning lakhs and crores of rupees, but they are also promoting some brands, which is a part of affiliate marketing, right? So This is the importance of social media. And as a marketing individual, if you are not using social media, you are missing something huge. You are missing something big. Look at the Facebook page of one of the most successful companies. You will find out that they are a rock on in their social media page. Look at the Facebook page, look at their engagement rate, look at their YouTube analytics. They are topping all the time. And they are topping only because of their online presence. Okay, so let's start with the presentation. Digital marketing campaign includes social media can be a key to your business success. Now, I have given you multiple examples how you can succeed with your business. I have given you a personal example how I have purchased the credit card of IDFC Bank after lots of efforts from their sales team. So there are some difficult customers also. You can tempt them by giving different offers, different kind of offers. You can test and try different kind of methods and offers. Now next time if they want to sell me something, they know that how they are going to influence me, right? Customer is liking and what they are not liking. One more example. Okay, so there was a lack in connection. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So yes, we were talking about how to grow your business on Facebook, right? So again, I think you all should watch this movie called The Intern. If you have not watched that movie, please go and watch it. The Intern is actually a Hollywood movie that shows that how a small startup has gained so much of popularity and success through social media platforms, right? So you just have to pick up a right idea that can click into your customer mind, and your customer should start consuming that product, start using that product. So there are n number of ways through which you can promote your product on digital medium. It can be through affiliate marketing, it can be through referrals, it can be through influencers. Now, influencers are the people who are very famous. Maybe they have a good face, maybe they have good tactics. You don't know what they have. Some people have good face, some people have good tactics, some people have good content. So they have a lot of followers. And if you approach them to showcase your product or promote your website, it will cost you less also. Kam paisa bhi lagega, and you will be able to reach all those people who are their followers, right? So once I tried to approach a digital marketing influencer to give an expert lecture, right? But again, that is costing a lot of money, going out of budget. That's why I was not able to introduce her. Her name is Deepika, and she is an influencer from Jaipur only, right? So these influencers, they are charging a lot of money even to take an expert lecture also, right? So they carry a lot of importance and a lot of worth. Now, the first variant of social uh, platforms online is called as social networks. So there is no need to explain social networks. You all understand what a social network is. A social network is actually a medium through which you can message somebody, you can inform, you can send photos, you can talk to mass media, you can talk to a lot of people at once. So one thing that I want to explain is Have you seen Twitter page of Narendra Modi ji? He is so active on Twitter. He is super active on Twitter. Anything happens in India, and after 5 seconds, you will see Narendra Modi is doing a tweet. When we won a bronze medal in badminton, he was the first one tweeting. He was the first one calling. When we won a gold medal in athletics, he was the one who was tweeting, and he was the one who was calling that person and wishing him. So just look at his digital marketer. He has a PR team, right? He has a PR team, a marketing team who is working endlessly towards his publicity as a personality. Why everybody likes him? Because he market whatever he do. He tell everybody that मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. This is marketing, right? Promoting yourself. So he is not promoting a product, but he is promoting himself as a product to the Indian population so that he can win the next election. If you see his Twitter page, he is talking about the floods that came in India some time back. He is talking about Olympics. He is talking about 15th August function. He is going to call everybody as a chief guest. He is, communicating with each and every civilian. And I'm sure that if you're using Twitter, you are following him. And if you're not following him, you should follow him. Because the manager who is behind him, making him a star model in India, he is working tremendously, right? So that's what social media is all about. It is Facebook, it is Twitter. Twitter is basically a official platform. You will see most of the politicians, most of the cabinet ministers, they are using Twitter to showcase their emotions or inform anything, right? Uh, in Rajasthan, also, the chief minister, he always wants to inform on Twitter that whatever is happening, when the schools are going to happen, when uh, the things are going to happen in Rajasthan, when the next RAS forms are going to be out. He's the one who is very active on Twitter and informing. And Twitter is kind of a trustworthy source where we can believe in it, that this is something official. Facebook is like kind of a casual platform which is basically meant for friends, but Twitter is something which is official. And nowadays, Twitter is very much in news also. If you have heard in news, Youth Congress is doing a dharna in the front of Twitter office. So go out and read it out and find out that why these kind of things are happening. I'm not going to tell you everything, okay? So this is social media platforms or networks, which is the first variant that we have studied. Now, what are the things that you should keep in mind when you are posting a post on social media? These are the things. First is positivity pays off. Positivity means you if you are a digital marketing manager, you are representing company, so you cannot lose your temper when you are communicating with a customer either on comments or in Facebook private messaging. So you cannot lose your temper, you cannot use harsh words, abusive words for your customer. No matter whatever is going on in your mind, you cannot show it up, right? So staying positive, sending the positive messages in social media gives you a better opportunity to promote your brand. For example, when women hockey team lose the bronze medal, everybody was eyeing on it that they are going to win that bronze medal, right? So what happened was, uh, I saw ad, and that was so positive. I don't know what ad was that. I think MRF tires or something like that. They were boosting up the confidence of Indian hockey team and telling us that we are proud of your efforts. The medal doesn't matter, but your efforts do, right? So watching that kind of a post actually brings goosebumps in me, because I was understanding the girls, they were actually crying, they lost hope, they lost heart. At that particular time they were trying really hard, but the Great Britain team was playing so good, they're so quick, so they were not able to win the match, right? And any brand coming up at that particular time and sending a post in favor of Team India, you know, that actually wins your heart. You, at that point of time, when you are thinking about those girls and when they are losing hope after this much of efforts of 4 years, 5 years, they are working so hard, and they finally lose it coming up to this point of time. You feel bad for them, right? And when a brand is promoting that, the efforts are good, we doesn't want the medal, but the efforts are good. So these kind of things bring a positive energy in you. Again, I have shown you some Facebook post of Fab India. That is again so Indian. If you watch those ads, they are so feministic, and they always promote that women should be independent, they should live their life as they want. So all those things which every women think of, but most of the women cannot say it because of the societal norms, because of the societal restrictions, right? So if any brand put forward that kind of thing, you feel good about it, right? So positivity pays off. Next is keep it short. Keep it short means use pictures or videos instead of text. If you post a huge paragraph on Facebook, nobody is going to like it. If you post a 5-second video on Facebook, everybody is going to watch it. If you add a beautiful picture and two lines, that's also good enough, right? So keep it short. Get the visual means images. That's what we were studying in SEO. Images play a very important role. Customers, they got clicked when they see an image. I like it, colorful image. For example, blue is the color which attracts the most attention according to the studies. So try and use blue more and more in your post, right? These are the things that your designers are going to tell you, but this is just a suggestion, okay? So get visual, post with images, tag your friends, tag the customers who are loyal, tag the customers who are very much engaging, tag the customers who are not engaging. The people who are not paying interest is the best way to tag them. Now let me give you an example. I was scrolling down my uh, Instagram page, and Fab India, they started a live video. Do you know what was the title of that video? You are tagged in a video which is started by Facebook. You was the word that was written, and that was showcasing to every other person, who has liked that page. You, my name is not written, Neha Hamilton is not written. It was written, you are the person, you are tagged in this particular Facebook live. So I thought, why they have tagged me? They don't know me. I have clicked on that particular video, and within the fraction of seconds, all the people who were following the Fab India page, they have gone to that page only by this charismatic tagline or heading of that particular post. Let me see if I can find it, because things are different. I hope I'm audible now. Okay, so there was again some connectivity issue. That's why I got disconnected. So we were talking about bookmarking sites. Okay, so what are those bookmarking sites? Bookmarking sites are actually those sites in which you can bookmark something. Bookmark something means you can save the image that you actually like, and in future if you want those images, you can get it. So one of the famous example is StumbleUpon, and the another example is Pinterest, that we all are aware of. So, if you are a professional, if you are looking for some beautiful pictures or some good ideas, you can get it through Pinterest.com, right? So I'm going to share the screen of Pinterest.com. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Download. So this is how it is downloading. So let's wait for some time. This is how your Pinterest walls looks like. You can make your own pins, you can make your different groups, and you can save different pictures or photographs, in different pins, right? So I have searched for home decor. For example, if I have interest in home decor, then I can get 1,000 images on more than 1,000 images on home decor, right? So here you can see some beautiful pictures. So this is like a virtual magazine, right? You get pictures of whatever you want. You have a great collection of these. Here you can see great home decor ideas. If you want to decorate your home, or if you are an interior designer looking for some inspiration, you just have to change the keywords and you have to see the magic. For example, if I'm talking home decor retro, right? I want a retro look uh, in my home, right? So see how many retro styles I'm getting. These all products from this. So this is how, see, look how beautiful this transistor is, and these kind of home decor, or 90s, or vintage home decor, or 80s, or chic style, or ideas. What are you exactly looking for? You can like go on like this, and you can choose anything you want. For example, if I click on vintage, I get the pictures of vintage. I just have to right click on any particular picture, and I can pin that picture, right? From the next time, they'll send me notification how we can see a lot of images, beautiful images and ideas of home decor. So I have just given you an example. There are numerous things that you can do on Pinterest. You can search on Pinterest, and you can bookmark them. You can copy them. You can pin them. You have to just right click and you have to click on pin. Right, the network is not able to show you. Right, so those are called a site that give you an idea about whatever is happening right now. The social news sites, some are like reddit.com and dig.com, but they are not so famous, right? People don't know them much. They are not very famous. So it's okay if you are not aware of these websites, because sorry, these are not famous also. These websites are not like they have a lot of followers, but you just have to remember the examples of social news site where you can get a lot of articles, lot of blogs, lot of happenings, lot of contemporary things on a daily basis, right? Like whatever is happening right now, you can get an update of that in social news site. So we have Flickr.com and Dig.com. Okay, that's it. Now, next thing that we have to understand is media sharing. Media sharing websites allow users to upload and share different types of media, such as pictures and video. And most of these sites offer social features like ability to create profile, ability to comment on other shared material, right? So we all know about Flickr.com. We all know about YouTube.com. There are numerous websites where you can share content. There is Quicker.com. There is Flickr.com. You know, there is CarDekho.com. So wherever you have the option to upload your content and communicate with other people, so those kind of websites are called as media sharing websites, right? YouTube, again, you can create a video and you can easily share that video with the people who need that kind of information, and people are earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees through these kind of making video and through their YouTube video channel. So they are called as media sharing social media platforms. What are the examples that we have to remember? We have to remember YouTube and Flickr.com, right? You can showcase your used products, and you can sell your products second hand on Flickr.com. So these are the things that can be done on these websites. Next, next platform that we are going to understand is called as microblogging platform. So we know what is a microblogging platform. Uh, Example is like Twitter.com. How Twitter.com is a microblogging website because the number of characters that you can tweet is limited. There is no like unlimited characters that you can tweet, but the number of characters are limited. So that's why it is called as a microblogging website. The only microblogging website which is most popular is Twitter, right? So through Twitter, you can send tweets your friends, and you can read tweets of the people whom you know or who are very influential in society. I'll give you an example of our Prime Minister. He's using a Twitter like anything. He's daily tweeting something or the other on the Twitter, and those tweets are shown in news. You won't believe that people are showing that on news that Narendra Modi has tweeted that. Salman Khan has tweeted that, Shah Rukh Khan has tweeted this, cabinet minister is tweeting this, Khel Mantri is tweeting this. So it is actually a very official platform which is shown in news. So you can see the level of trustworthiness this platform has. Okay, so we have microblogging platform also, and then we have finally blogging platforms. Blogging platforms blog comments and forums, right? So what are these actually used for? These are actually used to showcase um, your ideas, opinions through your writing. So generally, blogging platforms are managed by content writers, and forum platforms. For example, Quora.com, Quora, Quora.com is a very famous forum website where you can discuss in public about anything, right? About if you want to discuss about female feticide should not be destroyed. So if you want to ask any question like what is the best discipline to take in MBA, you can post that in Quora.com and you can discuss with platform and forums are actually for discussions, are generally for opinion sharing, are generally for showcasing your idea and seeking answers from others, right? So this is the basic fundamental phenomena of a blogging platform that you should always remember, right? So today we have classification of social media platforms. Let us do a quick recap of what we have studied till now. studied that these are the platforms through which you can showcase your ideas and your information, your personal life, your pictures on Facebook. But one point of advice is that you always keep your privacy settings on. Don't let anybody, download your pictures, copy your pictures, or use those pictures in a negative way, right? So always, as a responsible citizen, keep your privacy settings on on your Facebook, right? And through Facebook, if you're going to a particular site and they are asking for your credit card, debit card information, or your bank details, don't ever share with them. You cannot trust any website. Even if you're, paying, you start paying on Netflix, the amount will auto debit, from your debit card or your credit card every month. You won't realize it कि हर महीने 200 रुपए कटते जा रहे हैं. After 4 5 months you will see that ये 200 रुपए हर महीने कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. तो one day you have paid for 200 rupees and now you don't even realize that it is auto debiting from your card every month from the past 4 months. So it is always advisable to never share the information and never save your card details. They always ask you, shall I save the card details? Never do that. Don't. It is okay if you have to fill the information again and again. But through that, if you don't save it, you save your chances of being robbed. Okay. So the first thing that we understand is social network. Next thing is bookmarking sites. So what are bookmarking sites? Whenever you want to make an album of pictures or you want to collect something, some images, some pictures, you can do it through bookmarking images on the bookmarking sites. So I have given you example of Pinterest, how you can use Pinterest to bookmark the website. Then have social news websites where you can share news with people. You can in Reddit.com you get to a lot of on sports, on a lot of articles on whatever is happening right now, or basically the platform which is acting as a liaison between two parties who are ready to connect for a certain purpose. It can be buying or selling. 99acres.com. I don't know if you have seen that website or not. Right. So, yes, I think we have completed. There was some network error, that's why I got disconnected. So we have seen micro-blogging platforms. I've given you example of Twitter and again blogging platform. Yes, I was giving you example of 99acres.com. If you have seen website of 99acres.com, it is actually uh, a platform through which you can showcase any apartment that you want to give on rent, or you can take a rented apartment through 99acres.com also. So we have lots of websites like we have like magicbricks.com is a good example of media sharing platform. So in magicbricks.com also you can now, you want to sell your property, you want to take a property, you want to you want to give a property on rent, that also you can right. So this is the last example that I'm showing you, then we'll be winding up the class. Right. So this is like 99acres.com. And in 99acres.com, you can see that lots of builders are showcasing their, uh, you know, the pictures are getting uploaded. Again, the page loading speed is very slow, and my network is also, there is some problem in my network today. So you just have to select the city. For example, here, if I want to select Delhi, I can select Delhi. Here you have to select the property type. So I want a residential apartment, and construction status you can select, and you can get all the apartments which are under construction in 99 acres. Here you can see that whatever this builder is, they are giving you 3 to 4 bedroom residential apartment. This is the area of the flat. The uh, price of the flat is also given, 2.29 to 10.45 crore flat. So this is an example. Plus magicbricks.com is also an example, which is an example of media sharing platform where you can uh, share most, these kind of platforms are very famous in the cities where people are migrating from other cities. For example, in Rajasthan it is Jaipur and Kota. These websites are used mostly in Jaipur and Kota, because in Kota a lot of students are coming for coaching from different cities. So they are using 99acres.com and magicbricks.com because they are sitting somewhere in Chennai, and from Chennai they are coming to Kota. So how will they search, rented apartment in Kota, because they are coming for coaching for a year? So they search in magicbricks.com and 99acres.com. So these are some famous media sharing platforms. And then we have finally blogging platforms. Blogging platforms allow you, we have a lot of blogging platforms like wordpress.com, blogspot.com, bloggers.com, bloggersheaven.com. So there are lots and lots of websites where you can also choose to, you have to just create your account and you have to start writing. That's what blogging is all about. If you think that I have a strong opinion on cricket, I have a strong opinion on in politics, I have a strong opinion anything else, or I have a good knowledge in these all things, start writing blogs. People will like it. Just have to search for the keywords what people are interested in, add those keywords in the blog, and start writing those blogs. This is how you can start small in the digital world, right? So these are called as blogging platforms. So I think that's enough for today. We have completed classification of social media in today's class. Thank you so much for joining. I am ending the class now.